What's going on, guys? This is the next day around 8 o'clock in the morning. It's the snowstorm's very heavy still. As you can see, it's a blizzard out here. Cars buried under snow. I don't even know if I should start shoveling. That's how bad it is. Bad it has gotten out here. It's a complete whiteout ahead. God, it's really bad. It's coming down really hard again. September. It's February 2nd, 2011. Chicago blizzard. Yeah, it's really insane. Hope you guys are safe and warm and wherever you guys are. This will be going on YouTube. And yeah. Take care.